Hello and welcome to Third Eye Aligned. My name is Jenny and I'm so grateful that you're here. As a longtime mindfulness practitioner, yoga and classroom teacher, and just a person who believes deeply in the power of presence and peace, I created this channel to share guided meditations that help realign your energy, calm your mind, and open your heart. Each meditation is lovingly crafted using the wisdom that I've gathered over years of practice and inspired by nature, sound, and the subtle energy that connects us all. Whether you're just beginning your journey or deepening your current path, you'll find something here. If this meditation brings you joy or any sense of calm, clarity, or connection, I'd love it if you could take a moment to like, subscribe, or leave a comment. It really helps the channel grow and it brings more light to more people. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into your guided meditation for mental clarity and stillness. Let yourself settle into a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, whatever feels right for you in this moment. Make sure you have what you need to be comfortable. Put away distractions. And then close your eyes if you haven't already. And gently begin to shift your awareness from the outside world to the space within. Take a deep breath in through your nose and a slow breath out through your mouth. Inhale fully. And exhale completely. And again, one more time, breathing in all the way, filling your lungs. And breathing it all out. Allow your breath to find its own natural rhythm now. Easy, steady, unforced. Allow your belly to be soft as your inhales come. And feel the chest and belly falling with each exhale. Every time you breathe out, feel your body becoming more relaxed, more still, and more settled. Notice those same qualities beginning to come in your mind. If your mind is active today, just allow it to be what it is. Not trying to force anything, just gently bringing your attention back when you notice that it wanders. Soften any hard edges that you feel coming up. Allow them to smooth out with each exhale. Now imagine a gentle wave of soft light sweeping over your body. It starts at the crown of your head and it slowly cascades down, easing tension as it moves over you. This light carries with it the energy of stillness, the healing of calm awareness, and clarity. Let it move through your forehead And release any tension behind your eyes. Let it smooth out your brow. Unclench your jaw. Soften your neck, your shoulders. Relax your throat. Allow this light to wash down your arms, to your chest, your belly, down your back, through your hips, your legs, traveling all the way to the soles of your feet and toes. You are safe. You are supported. Let go of any holding or tension. It's okay to relax. Gently bring your attention back to your breath. Notice how it feels as it flows in and out. Notice that you don't need to do anything. You're simply being breathed. Feel the softness and the simplicity of that, and how beautiful it is. With each breath, allow your mind to become more still. Let any stray thoughts become like soft clouds drifting across a vast blue sky. There's no need to chase them or push them away. Just observe and let them pass. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Just come back to your breath. Inhaling and exhaling. Allow a deeper sense of clarity to begin to rise. Feel it in your forehead, in your heart, and deep in your belly. Silently repeat the following affirmations. My mind is clear and focused. I allow stillness to guide me. I release the noise and embrace peace. Each breath brings me deeper into presence. I trust the wisdom that comes from silence. When I allow space for silence, I can hear my inner voice more clearly. Let those words ripple through you. Let them settle deeply in your subconscious. Allow their truth to resonate. Now visualize yourself standing in a field of light. It's quiet, peaceful, endless. You feel fully awake, aware, and clear. In this space, you don't need to figure anything out. There's no pressure, no expectation, just deep presence. Here you can listen and receive. Here you can simply be. Let's rest in this silence together for a few minutes now. For just a little bit longer. Returning to the feeling in the sensation of your breath. Gently bringing awareness back to the body with a deeper inhale, longer exhale. Feel the surface beneath you. Notice the air around your body. Slowly moving your fingers and your toes. Moving your body as it feels right. Stretching. Taking a deep breath in and letting it out with a sigh. And as you feel ready, bring yourself back into the room. And take a moment to notice the quality and state of your mind right now. And if you have the time to journal, write down a couple of comparisons from the beginning and ending of this practice. Or anything else you notice. And thank you so much for taking the time to realign with stillness and clarity today. If you found this practice helpful, I'd be honored if you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Please like this video and share a comment letting me know how you feel. I create these meditations from my heart, and I combine my love of mindfulness teaching and the healing power of nature so that you always have a safe space to return to. Thank you again for giving the gift of your time, and until next time, I'm wishing you peace and so much joy now and always. Blessings.